y'all see, this video is only 12 minutes because this install was really simple, straight to the point, easy to do. And why? Because it was pre-bleached, pre-plucked to the T. Like, I really, 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 really loved this wig and how quick I put this on. Like, the baby hairs was easy to do because I could easily pull them out and everything. And the hair, like, I barely had to put product in it, and it was so long too. So yeah, let's get into it. Y'all see I'm doing my bald cap now. I highly recommend y'all have a flatter, foundation, because these braids are old, you feel me? Definitely would have came out a lot better if I had flatter braids, but it's all cool. Y'all see I'm just taking my little scissors here and cutting right where my edges are for the bald cap. And when I'm cutting, I always do my best to get as close to like where my hairline is as possible. Like, I don't want my bald cap to be sitting where it don't need to sit. You feel me? So we're getting real close to where our hair ends. To blend this bald cap in with my skin, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade RD15 and just pat that all around my bald cap. I didn't go too heavy-handed with it. Really, it was real light. Putting it in the middle because that's where my part is going to be. And now we have the wig on. Y'all see she's pre-plucked for sure. Like, for sure. I went ahead and put that same makeup inside of the cap. Again, not too much though, just the right amount. Y'all can see, y'all can see the makeup. Y'all see it inside. But yeah, I'm using my hot comb to just pull this hair back so I can get a nice vision of the hairline before I go in with my scissors, how I'm doing now, to go ahead and cut around my ears. You feel me? Gotta do that, especially if you got a little head like me. Like, it's way more comfortable to do this before installing the wig, because yeah, that should be hurting the ears a little bit. But I done slid my wig back, and I'm taking my Ebon Wonder lace spray, and I'm just spraying that around my hairline. Y'all see, like, I'm trying to keep it like kind of like in a line, like how, because sometimes when you spray, this spray can look a little messy, but I'm really trying with this install to keep it like, y'all see what it's giving. Like, it's given like it's a glue, like glue dry down. So yeah, I'm just blow drying every single layer until it is tacky. I did 3 layers. I think that's the most or the least I would do is 3 layers. But yeah, I'm going ahead and pull this lace down right where that spray is, and I'm just using my fingers to tap everything in. Yeah, tap it in, tap it in, tap it in, and press it with my hand so that it can stick. And then I'm going to go with my blow dryer just to make sure everything is really sealed in. And it was kind of lifting up on this side, so I went ahead and took some more of that Wonderlace spray, lifted this up, and just reapplying it, and then blow drying that down so it can stay put. Right. Blow drying it somewhere too, because yeah, I need this to be melted, okay? But yeah, I put my blend on for like 15 minutes. Y'all see it is completely dry now, and y'all can see the line of demarcation of where like that spray is and where it ended up. So I'm just taking my scissors now. I would have used a razor, but I didn't have one on me at the moment, so I just went ahead and took my scissors and got to cutting off this lace. And I'm trying to go kind of in a like a pattern. Like, I don't want to just cut. Y'all see how I'm doing this? I don't want to just cut in a straight line because that's going to make it look pretty wiggy. So I'm like, like chopping it off, like in like kind of a zigzag motion, but not to such a great extent. But yeah, y'all, I also lift up the lace too when I feel like it's too like close to my face and not where I want it to lay. So y'all see I'm lifting it up so it can be in alignment with my actual hairline and not just lace sitting on my face, because that's not. Now that we have all this extra lace off, I'm going to take that same makeup and makeup brush and tap this lace, okay? So it can blend some more, because it was definitely giving a little ashy, very ashy. So yeah, we're just doing this to get everything nice and blended and looking like our skin complexion before we go in with our second melt. So I'm taking my Ebon Wonder lace spray to remelt this lace, and y'all, like, I really wish I wasn't so like such a procrastinator, bro, because I literally need to get something different other than this to do the second melt with, so it can look even better. You feel me? Because using this on top, it's like, like I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. I need something that's gonna melt my shit and give it a 10 out of 10, a 10 out of 10 melt. But it's cool. We're gonna use that for now. You know, it's gonna do what it needs to do. Taking that band again, let her sit for 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to get this hair flat. So I'm going in sections, and it was really easy to run my fingers through this too, y'all, which I loved. So I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb to just press this hair down and get it nice and flat in sections. So like I'm gonna do 3 sections, because I didn't really need to do too much because this hair was like, it was just so soft that it didn't need so many sections to get it flat over the top. So really just 3 to 4, and pressing it out, pressing it out, pressing it out, okay, until it is completely flat and to my liking. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys just watch me do the other side. And yeah, I'll be back with more to say once we have our next step. All right, baby hairs, let's get into it. So I'm going ahead and pull out these hairs with this edge brush, the comb side. And now see, I'm not taking that many hairs, and I'm being really light-handed with this, right? Because I want it to look natural, but yeah, it's gonna give drama at the same time. When I want my baby hairs to look fluffy, I always go in like in that type of motion to cut. So it's not like too perfect, like it's a little bit frayed a little bit, you feel me? So that's what I'm gonna do, and then go ahead and curl these under. Well, yeah, under. Yeah, that's how I'm curling it. Curling these under so it can get nice and cutesy. Then I'm getting my got to be glued spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and start molding these baby hairs down. So with the comb side, I'm using my finger at the same time to just mold and swoop everything. Always going in like a curved C motion, and then I bring everything together into the hairline. And I just do this until I'm satisfied, like until it's giving what I need it to give. Y'all see it's not really molding in the front, so I'm gonna take some more of that got to be glue spray and really use my finger to mold it down to get it to stay put, because it just kept curling up. So yeah, use my finger to do that. More spray towards the end too to mold that really well, and just glide all the hairs into this hairline, and then combing the hairline together so it can look, you know, in unison. Blow drying it, of course, to make sure that they stay put and stay melted the way that they are. Now I'm just repeating the same steps on the left side here, being real delicate, light-handed. Shout out to Wiggins Hair though, because I love how I was able to do like some thin baby hairs. The way that they plucked this, it was so easy to pull out the baby hairs and form them. So yeah, like y'all see that? Period. Yeah. But for my sideburns, I'm like, do I want to melt them and lay them down how I usually do, or do something different? In the meantime, while I ponder on that thought, I'm gonna take some more of that makeup and just apply that onto the lace, because I feel like it could have looked a little bit more blended. But yeah, I decided I'm gonna keep them long, right? Keep the sideburns long and just curl them, well, flat iron them. So yeah, we're gonna get back to that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some baby hairs in the middle because I was like this looking kind of boring. Like I kind of want to do something dramatic because I'm so used to like thicker baby hairs. I'm like I need to do something in the middle to make up for it. But yeah, y'all see I just curled it under, took a good amount of hair, and looking back, I feel like I could have made this a little shorter, but shoot, it was the vibes that I was trying to go for clearly when I did this install. So yeah, I'm just being really light-handed and delicate to get the best shape that I can. You feel me? See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? Yeah, real precise. But yeah, blow drying that in place so it can stay. And now I'm gonna take some Icy Fantasia heat protectant on the sideburns so it can give a nice crisp. You feel me? Y'all see that heat? A nice crisp layout and curl. Or yeah, we'll just leave it at that. But yeah, that's what I did there, and I thought that would be really cute, and it was really cute, something different. But yeah, just hot combing everything together now to get everything molded into place, and topping everything off. I'm being really intentional with me hot combing it in the front, especially because I want this hair to fall a certain way. I applied the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to this little skinny brush and applied that in the middle, and then I'm going to smooth that out with my finger. And I went ahead and did it again because I wanted this to look really clean and just sharp, like bow. To make the hair look glossy over the top, I'm going to take some Bio Silk and then take a little bit of mousse, just a little bit, because I really didn't want to get this hair super wet and do the most because the curls were so beautiful without all that. So I'm just separating the hair a little bit and applying a little bit of product. Okay, emphasis on a little bit because it really didn't need all that, especially in the back though, because y'all know it get nappy in the back. Then I'm gonna scrunch it all up, apply some oil sheen, and boom, we are finished. Just to remind y'all, this is Wiggins Hair Loose Deep Wave 36-inch HD lace 13x4 lace frontal wig. They do have shorter lengths because this one is a bit pricey because of how long it is, but it's low-key worth it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.